Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable ChatGPT for Siri on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now this is a new feature that's available now. You do need an iPhone that's compatible, which is going to be any of the new iPhone 16 and the iPhone 15 Pro or the 15 Pro Max. So those are going to be the compatible device. The next thing you need to do is go into your setting on your iPhone, go to General, Software Update, and make sure you're updated to the official 18.2 update. And once you update your phone to it, you're going to come back to your main settings here, click on Apple Intelligent and Siri, and if you haven't turned on Apple Intelligent, you'll need to go ahead and turn that on. And then once you turn on, if you go down here under extension, you can see here now we have the ChatGPT extension available, which we can use to help answer your requests. If you tap on that, you can see here we can go ahead and use ChatGPT. So we click on setup, and this gives you the option to set it up to do more with Siri. So you want to click on next, and then in order to enable it, we'll just click on enable, or you can use it with the account if you have an account specifically for the premium features. So you can click on enable, and you can see here the daily limits. You can upgrade to ChatGPT Plus and utilize that as well. And then there's the app as well. So this will help you go ahead and use it, and you can also sign into it if you have a premium account. But that's how you turn on, enable, and use ChatGPT with Siri on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.